been in IT at Kärcher for 2 years. Personally, I think it's very exciting to work in an international team. You always learn a lot about yourself, but also about the typical German quirks and features. Wanna wow with us?
Hi, I'm Toby and I've been working in IT at Kärcher for over 5 years. You see how highly you are valued even by the managing directors. Wow!
My name is Patrick and I have been part of the preliminary development team at Kärcher for around 1 year. I am working on lots of futuristic technologies for Kärcher, including a new generation of. The only question left to ask is, wanna wow with us?
Hi, I'm Michael and I've been a project manager in Module Center Energy Storage Systems at Kärcher for 1 year. I'm working on some extremely exciting projects. I have lots and lots of points of contact in all departments at Kärcher and that really is wow.
Hello, I'm Alexandra from Digital Sales at Kärcher. I would say that we have a healthy mix of processes that keep things running smoothly and agility that our colleagues bring to the table.
Wanna wow with us?
Hi, I'm Thorsten, a service technician at Kärcher. You could say that every day has its little wow moments. You head out and the customers explain the problem. You think, But after an hour, also you are able to say, here's a working machine back, dear customer. That's how it is supposed to run.
Hello, my name is Alexandra and I'm in Finance and Controlling Governance. My wow moment was when I got a position tailored to me. A customized Alexandra role, you might say.
Hi everyone, I'm Laura. I'm training as a mechatronics engineer. I see what I have created with my own 2 hands at the end of the day, and this is a wow moment for me.
Hi, I am Liv and I'm training as industrial clerk here at Kärcher. I think it's really cool that I get to check out lots of different departments at Kärcher. Wanna wow with us?
Hello, I am Sabine. I am the shift supervisor for K2, Final Assembly. Only a man in leading positions, so I said to myself, I will show you all. Wow!
Hi everyone, I'm Kärcher and I'm part of the maintenance team at Kärcher.
Hey Kärcher, I'm having problems. Can you drop by?
For sure, they're happy to see us. We are the superheroes, so to speak.
Wanna wow with us?